I'm Laura Kelly. I'm CEO of Dean Adventure Camps.
And I'm John Kelly. I'm the CFO of Dean Adventure Camps.
Dean Adventure Camp is a summer day camp for boys and girls ages 5 to 15. And really, our purpose is to create great experiences for your kids. And what we want them to do is we want them to choose their adventure, whether it's outdoors and learn by doing, or it's indoors by learn by making, or for our little ones, our 4 and 5-year-olds, it's learn by playing. But it's one stop for your family to go and to really have, like I said, these great experiences where your kids have an opportunity to try things that maybe they wouldn't normally think that they'd be interested in doing.
Velocity Adventure Camp is an outdoor-oriented camp, summer day camp, where we teach kids predominantly from 5 to 10 years of age, BMX biking, skateboarding, parkour obstacle courses, and a lot of fun other outdoor activities such as 9 Square, Gaga Pit, slip and slides, fort building, and the like.
So the Handwork Studio has been around for 22 years, and we are a place where kids learn by making. We do all kinds of amazing activities, from machine sewing and woodworking and cooking to robotics and architecture and backstage theater production. The inspiration behind joining Velocity Adventure Camp and the Handwork Studio is really that we realized we were doing the same thing. It was, we're providing skills, we are discovering and exploring, and kids have this sense of achievement that they're learning new skills. And so it didn't make sense anymore for them to be separate. What we wanted to do was have a place where families could go and they could drop off their kids regardless of their interests, whether they wanted them to be outdoors and learning and doing and jumping and playing, or indoors and making and creating.